The professional medical record for Dr. Stefan Konasiewicz, posted by Ontario's medical watchdog, is spotless. Fluency in 5 languages, graduation from Queen's University and his first medical license in Ontario in 1989, a Newmarket address and telephone number, and active medical licenses in Texas and Wisconsin. But there's a great deal missing of interest to patients who attend clinics where he practices across southern Ontario. Konasiewicz has faced disciplinary actions and numerous malpractice lawsuits in 3 U.S. states that appear nowhere on his public record posted by the Ontario College of Physicians and Surgeons. It begins in Minnesota. 8 patients claimed serious injuries or death following surgeries. In 2003, a patient with chronic back problems suffers muscle spasms that fracture his vertebrae.
It changes your whole sense of self. I had chronic pain before, but intractable pain is something entirely different. It's like being in jail.
In 2005, a patient is unable to stand on his right leg and suffers numbness in his groin area. That year, a mother of 2 dies after a punctured aorta during spinal surgery. And in 2007, a patient wakes from surgery a quadriplegic.
While he was here in Minnesota, I and 4 or 5 other surgeons brought complaints to the administration repeatedly about his complications, and none of that ever went anywhere with anybody.
Patients in at least 3 cases received settlements totaling more than $1.3 million, the Star found. In 2010, Minnesota's medical board disciplined Konasiewicz for unprofessional and unethical conduct in his treatment of 4 patients. The following year, in 2011, he was reprimanded by Wisconsin's medical board after its review of the Minnesota cases. Then, in 2013, Konasiewicz is disciplined for a 3rd time. The Texas Medical Board found he was not negligent in the care of his Minnesota patients, but ruled he failed to maintain adequate medical records and safeguard against potential complications. Today, he practices at pain and rehabilitation clinics in Hamilton, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, and Toronto. The Star pieced together this information by reviewing medical licensing records, hospital employment records, medical board disciplinary decisions, and court documents across the continent. While Konasiewicz's string of formal disciplinary actions and malpractice suits are public in the U.S., they appear nowhere on Ontario's College of Physicians and Surgeons registry.
I did hear that he ultimately went back to Canada. It's very concerning. There should be better communication between the 2 countries. Clearly, there's an issue.
The college declined to comment on Konasiewicz directly, but said that disciplinary actions imposed against a doctor in another jurisdiction prior to September 1st, 2015 are not published on Ontario's public registry. Konasiewicz did not respond to repeated requests for an interview